Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can log in WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log in your WhatsApp, all you need to do is simply tap open your WhatsApp app. Once you tap it open, you'll end up in this interface where simply you need to tap on login. After you do so, your initializing process will be done, as you need to tap on agree and continue and type in your phone number as well. After you have typed in your phone number, your account will start to get connected, and now you need to type in your name as well. After everything is done, you will get logged in into your account on your WhatsApp app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.